Hello, good afternoon sir. I am Mendoza Januin E. from BSCrim 1F. The topic that I will discuss is about BFP or Bureau of Fire Protection. The Bureau of Fire Protection is the organization in charge of fire safety and firefighting in the Philippines. Part din po ito ng Department of the Interior and Local Government or DILG. Ano nga ba yung DILG? Sila yung napopromote ng peace and order, ensures public safety, and strengthens local government, which oversees local government and public safety. The BFP was created on January 29, 1991, when Republic Act No. 6975 was passed. Bago ang batas na ito, fire service were handled by the Philippines Constabulary and Integrated National Police or PCINP. The law transferred fire protection duties to the newly formed BFP. Main Office or NHQ. The headquarters of BFP is in Quezon City. This is where top officials manage the whole organization. Key units. First is Special Rescue Unit or SRU. Sila yung nag-handle ng mga rescue operation. And next, Hazardous Material Unit or HMU deals with dangerous chemical and hazardous materials. Next is Emergency Medical Service or EMS. Provides first aid and medical help during emergencies. Next is Special Operation Unit or SOU. Respond to major disaster and complex rescue missions. Then next, Arson Investigation Unit or AIU. Investigates fire-related crimes to find out if fire were set on purpose. Next is Fire Law Enforcement Service or FLES. Make sure fire safety laws are followed. And next is Fire National Training Institute or FNSTI. And trains firefighters and other personnel. Next is legal base. First, the Bureau of Fire Protection was officially created by Republic Act No. 6975 in 1990. Placing it under the Department of the Interior and Local Government. This law made BFP responsible for fire prevention, firefighting, and emergency response in the Philippines. Later on, Republic Act No. 9263 was passed in 2004. To improve the BFP, it made the organization more professional by updating rules, improving training, and providing better funding to help firefighters do their jobs more effectively. Vision, mission, and function. First is vision. A modern fire service fully capable of ensuring a fire-safe nation by 2034. Mission. We commit to prevent and suppress destructive fires, investigates its causes, enforce fire code and other related laws, respond to man-made and natural disaster and other emergencies. Philosophy. The BFP follows the principle, we serve so that others may live. This means their main goal is to save lives and protect property during emergencies, disaster, and calamities. Functions of BFP. First is fire prevention and suppression. Sila yung mga nagpapatay ng mga nasusunog gaya ng mga bahay, wildfire o mga sasakyan at iba pa. Second, enforce fire code. Dito naman titiyak nila ang mga tao at ang may mga business na sumusunod sila sa fire safety rules upang maiwasan ang aksidente. Third is fire investigation. Dito naman kapag nagkakaroon ng sunog, nag-iimbestiga sila para matukoy kung ano ang pinagmulan ng sunog at ginagawa nila ang legal na aksyon kapag kinakailangan. Pang-apat naman ay National Emergency Response. Dito naman kapag may malaking problema, tinutulungan ng BFP ang PNP, AFP at kapag inutos ng Presidente. Panglima naman ay Power Station Requirements. Dito naman mini-maintain nila ang proper equipment sa lahat ng province or city upang masiguro ang serbisyo sa proteksyon ng sunog ay magamit sa buong bansa. The Chief of Fire Director of the BFP is the head of the whole fire department in the Philippines. The Chief is helped by, first is Deputy Chief for Administration or DCA, which is sila yung nag-handle ng office work, planning, and support. Second, Deputy Chief for Operation or DCO. Sila naman ang nakapokus sa actual firefighting, rescue, and emergency work. And lastly, the Chief of Directorial Staff or TCDS. Sila naman yung tumutulong mag-manage ng department and support by other directors. In BFP regional structure, each region has a regional director or a senior fire officer in charge of the region. The regional director is supported by, first is Assistant Regional Director for Administration or ARDA. Nag-handle ng office work in the region. Second, Assistant Regional Director for Operations or ARDO. Sila ang nagmamanage ng firefighting work in the region. Lastly, Regional Chief of Directorial Staff or RCDS. Sila naman ang tumutulong sa regional planning and coordination. Sa provincial and local structure naman ay sa malaking probinsya, a provincial fire marshal oversees fire protection activities. Sa cities and towns, a city or municipal fire marshal leads the local fire station. Sa malaking cities naman, a district fire marshal ang nangangasiwa sa iba't ibang estasyon. Other important information are, first is ang Chief of the BFP ang nagre-recommend kung paano dapat ayusin ang organisasyon or organization, kabilang na rito ang staff and rules to the DILG Secretary. Second is ang local government. Sa cities man o towns are in charge of fire safety, rescue, and firefighting in their areas. Lastly, bawat city or town and provincial capital ay kailangan mayroong fire station, kahit isa na may sapat na tao at equipment. The upgraded of qualification to become BFP. First is citizen of the Philippines. Next, good moral character. Next, pass psychiatric, drug, and physical test. Next is baccalaureate degree from a recognized institution. And appropriate civil service eligibility. No dishonorable discharge from previous employment. No conviction of moral turpitude. And height requirements naman sa lalaki ay 1.62 meter. At sa babae naman ay 1.75 meter. Weight within 5 kilogram of standard for age, height, and sex. Age and continuity of qualification. First is age limit 21 to 30 years old for new applicant. Next, continuing qualifications. Any failure to meet standards at any time is grounds for separation of requirements. Current BFP personnel, 5 years to meet educational qualification, and 1 year to meet weight requirements. Failure to comply. First is under 50 years old and less than 20 years in service separation. And last 50 years or older and 20 plus years of service retirement.